times do we sympathize with people? It's just a habit. But let's start to be intentional about empathizing with people. What is a word that comes to mind when you think about leadership? Servant. So I want to talk a little bit about servant leadership and what it is. So my definition here is a leadership philosophy that emphasizes serving others and putting their needs first. Let's talk a little bit about the characteristics of a servant leader. Listening, actively listening to others, being present in the moment. How many people have been on calls or in the room with others and they're on their phone, they're texting, they're not there? When I talk to anybody, I will take the phone and I will put it down. And so when I have these little distractions like summertime and my daughter's coming in the room to ask me to order Chick-fil-A, I don't even look at her. Like, you would never know she's in the room. So I'm not one of those that the kid and I'm turning around. That means get out, I will see you in a minute, because I need to be present in the moment. So that's listening. The next one is empathy. We talked about this. Understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Promoting a supportive and inclusion environment. Empathy versus sympathy. Being in the space with that person. Listening and supporting, letting them know you have their back. That's empathy. Sympathy pulls people apart. How many times do we sympathize with people? It's just a habit. But let's start to be intentional about empathizing with people and watch the quality of your relationships.